Question number 16. A system with an efficiency of 74% efficiency is given. Wastes 230 watts of power. That means in a system 230 watts of power are being wasted, and there is some amount of power, X amount of power is being an useful power. Okay. What is the useful output power of the system? What is the useful output power? So what should we do? So it's already given that the useful output power divided by total power is X plus 230 is equal to 0.74, given to you. So you need to find out the value of X, nothing else. So let us do that. So you have X is equal to 0.74X plus 230 into 0.74, which means, so if I transpose it to the other side, this becomes 0.26X is equal to 230 into 0.74. So X should be 230 multiplied by 0.74 divided by 0.26. Let us calculate what is that value. That gives you the value of X. 230 0.74 divided by 0.26. I get the answer 654. So 654. So any answer closer to 654? 650 watt. C is the answer.